Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashok from India. Today, I am going to share my speech about the topic Shark Tank April 22, 2026, Wednesday, episode number 1718 contestants. Let me introduce the contestant number 1. Nikki Varanasi. She is living in San Francisco, which is located in California. She is native to India. She is a budding entrepreneur. She is a founder and CEO of Parrot Finance. She is running Parrot Finance for more than 2 years. Let me introduce the contestant number 2, Victoria Yang. She team up with Nikki Varanasi and Lucy Yang and features in Shark Tank game show. She is one of the 3 founders of Parrot Finance. She worked in Shopify. She began her career in the year 2018. She began her career as a software developer. Let me introduce the contestant number 3, Lucy Yang. She is a budding entrepreneur. She is one of the founders of Parrot Finance. She is the COO of Parrot Finance. She is the former senior analyst of Goldman Sachs. She worked as a receptionist. Let me introduce the contestant number 4, Santiago Arroyo Calero. He teamed up with Diego Arroyo Calero and features in Shark Tank game show. He is a budding entrepreneur. He is living in Spring, which is located in Texas. He is the co-founder and CEO of Don't Worry. This is a snack selling company. He is running this snack selling company for more than 10 years. Let me introduce the contestant number 5, Diego Arroyo Calero. He teamed up with Santiago Arroyo Calero and features in Shark Tank game show. He is living in Houston, which is located in Texas. He is the co-founder and CCO of Don't Worry. He is running this Don't Worry company for more than 10 years. He is the former sales project manager. He worked in the Coca-Cola company. Let me introduce the contestant number 6, Tasia Stein. She teamed up with Russ Stein, Melody Stein and Raylan Stein and features in Shark Tank game show. She is living in Los Angeles, which is located in California. She is a budding entrepreneur. She is the founder of PI00A company, which is selling frozen globally inspired Neapolitan pizzas. She is the former sales associate. She began her career as a waitress. Let me introduce the contestant number 7, Russ Stein. He teamed up with Melody Stein, Tasia Stein and Raylan Stein and features in Shark Tank game show. His full name is Russell Stein. He is the founder of PI00A company, which is selling frozen globally inspired Neapolitan pizzas. Russ Stein is living in California. Let me introduce the contestant number 7, Melody Stein. She teamed up with Russ Stein, Tasia Stein and Raylan Stein and features in Shark Tank game show. She is one of the 4 founders of PI00A company. She is also the founder of Yarn10, which is a business consulting and services company. She is having bachelor's degree in hospitality management. She studied in San Francisco State University.